Unless you've been living under a rock for a couple of weeks, then you would have heard of ChatGPT. If you have been under a rock, then ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that was actually launched in November 2022. However, in the last few weeks, it's hit massive headlines. This chatbot is actually insane. Information it has access to is just too good to be true. The burning question right now is whether that this chatbot is actually going to replace product designers. I mean, if you had a chance to play around with it, then you will understand that it has the ability to come up with fresh ideas, it can create user personas, and it can also write user stories that can help out developers. What I mean to say is I can definitely see why alarm bells has started to ring. The truth is though, even though this is a great piece of technology, it's still just a bot. A machine. It's just not human, and the only information it can relay back to you is what already exists. It has no empathy, creativity, problem-solving techniques. It's just a piece of software that we can actually use towards our benefits. So the question is really, how can we use ChatGPT to our advantage? Well, we already know that it pulls information from the web that already exists. So how about using it for web content? How about using it to write error messages? I mean, error messages already exist. It'd be great for us to pull that information for us instead of having to go and look for them manually. We can use it to help us reword emails. I've personally used it to help me reformat the way I write emails to make it sound a bit more friendly, which takes up the brain power in order to have to think about what I need to write. I can just give it to ChatGPT and it'll write it for me. We can use it for a number of things, an explanation back to a client in an easier digestible format. So instead of being afraid of it, why not use it to your advantage? You can use it just as you would use Google. Ask it a question, ask to explain terminology, and use it like a tool just as you would use Figma. So the short answer to the question is no. Currently, right now, ChatGPT is not going to replace product designers. AI is incredible, but it's just not there just yet, so calm down, Skynet is not going to take over. I've been dying to get a Terminator reference in. It's my favourite movie. So yeah. We are safe for now. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you use ChatGPT for. It's a great tool to use, so just let me know in the comments below. If you didn't know already, I also offer one-on-one mentoring sessions over on my Super Peer. Again, if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And I also have a newsletter called Handover where I send out UX related content every single month. So again, if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And that's it. Until next time. Bye!